everyone, my name is Mutalib. I'm from Group 5, Group Spectre, and now I'm gonna do the demonstration of our website with the extra features added. So this is our homepage, and this is our project. This is Campus Event Management Assistant, and this is our homepage. In homepage we have the main features, the create account and login button. So first I'm gonna show the create account. In create account you can create account as student or club organizer. So I'm gonna create a account for myself, my name, my email. I'm gonna add the password, and I'm gonna choose the role student. So if the password doesn't match, the website shows password do not match. And so if I match it, I can register. If I don't add name and I try to register, the website brings me back to the empty place. So I'm gonna add it back. I'm gonna register as a student. As you can see, registration is successful. Now I'm gonna log in as a student and show the student dashboard. So I'm gonna register. And this is the student dashboard. In student dashboard we can browse events and view the registered events. So this is the events which we can join. So for example, we can see the event first. This is the extra feature we added our group to add the picture in the beginning of each event. So this is, for example, web development workshop. This is the picture for it. This description, you can see the location, date, time, the capacity, registered students you can see, and you can see if it's available or not. So if I want to register to this, I just RSVP to the event. So RSVP successful. And back to the events. So if I want to RSVP again to the same event, it says you already have joined for this event. So I'm gonna go back to the event and I'm gonna join to cybersecurity event, and also I'm gonna join the AI event. So now I'm gonna see my registered events. You can see all three is here. Now I can cancel it. So for example, I want to cancel the AI and robotics demo. When I cancel it, it asks when I confirm, it's cancelled. I can keep it in the list, or I can remove the cancelled event. If I want to remove the event from the list, I just remove the button and it asks me if I'm okay. When I say okay, it gets removed from the list. And this is the second extra feature that we were supposed to add. So this was for student dashboard, and now I'm going to show what has the organizers and admin dashboard, how it looks like. So I log out, I log in as organizer, for example CS organizer. So this is the organizer dashboard. This is total clubs, total events, and we can view the clubs, we can manage events and manage tasks. For manage the events, the organizer only can edit, delete, or create or view their own events for their club. For example, when students saw there was AI event, but since it's from different club, the organizer of other club cannot see it. So so as you can see here, we can view the event. I can view the event. I can see the list of students who applied for it. You can see it. And I can edit the event. If I want to edit, I can change the club. I cannot change because the club is already created. I can change the event title, the description, the location, the date, time, the capacity. I can remove the picture, and if I want my the event to be without picture, or I can replace the picture by choosing another picture. For example, when I choose, let's say this picture, and I update the event, we can see the event picture change. Now I'm gonna edit it and put back its own picture. So I'm gonna put back the picture back. So update the event. Oh, it's back. The other feature for the organizers are tasks. So task means what organizers created to keep up for organizing the event in the best possible way. For example, the members of the club can see it, only the members of the club and the admin. The students cannot see this. For example, I can add the task for the event, or I can add, or what? I can add the task, and I can filter it. So, for example, right now we don't have any tasks. So, for example, I'm gonna select the event. Let's say for the event web development workshop, I'm gonna say prepare poster. I'm gonna describe it. Poster. I'm gonna put the due date. I'm gonna put this priority and the status. So when I add the task, all the members of the club who are organizers gonna see this in their dashboard. So the filter works. We can filter by status, priority, and due date. For example, the priority is high. If I change the priority here, if I change the priority to medium and apply the filter, there is no task because I filtered it. So this was for organizers dashboard. So they manage the task, they manage the events, they can create any event. For example, if I want to add a new event for my club, for example, test, description, location, time, date, capacity, and I can put the picture if I want. It's optional. If I want to keep the picture, I'm gonna add. If I don't want the picture, I will not add. For example, if I want to just add the picture, I'm gonna choose this picture. It's just for the show, to show if it works or no. So the event is created. I can see it. As you can see, I can see it. So this was for organizers. Now I'm gonna show the admin dashboard. So for admin, the admin can view the users, manage all the clubs, manage events, and manage the tasks. For example, I see the users. As you can see, I can delete the user or edit. Edit means when I edit the user, I can change their status to be a student, organizer, or another admin. So when I change it to organizer, the person who was student, their dashboard will change to be an organizer. Or I can assign them for a club. So this is how to update the user. And another thing for the admin is they are the only one who can manage the clubs. For example, I can add the new club, I can view the club, I can edit. For example, if I view the club, you can see the information about it. I can edit the club, I can change the advisor, the contact email, description, and club name, and I can add a new club. For example, it asks me for club name, description, contact email, and advisor name. So another thing for the admin is manage events. Admin can see all the events from all the clubs. As you can see, it sees the events from club computer science, robotics, computer science. I can edit, delete, view, and see the registered students. For the tasks also, admin can see the tasks by all the can see the task from all the clubs. This was just for test before I did, and this was our system. And another thing is, if someone registers as a organizer, they don't have any authorization first before the admin gives them access. So for example, I'm gonna go register. Let's say, just for example, I'm gonna email 456 and I register as an organizer. Oh, I cannot register because I already used my email, so I'm gonna use different email. I register as an organizer. I register. You can see my registration is successful. Now I'm going to log in as an organizer. So my dashboard is an organizer, but when I try to add new event, for example, you are not assigned to any club yet, please contact the admin. You cannot create event until admin assign you to a club. So in order for me to create event or create the tasks, I need the admin to give me access. I can just see the available clubs, that's all. So I log out. I'm gonna go to the admin, back to the admin. I'm gonna see the registered users again. So I'm gonna edit his organizer, so I'm gonna just assign him to the club, for example to Robotics Society. I'm gonna update the user. As you can see, he become organizer with access now. I log out. I log in back. Now when I try to manage the events, I can already see the events created in my club. I can add now I can add an event, and also I can manage the tasks for the event. So this was all from our group, and thank you.